Welcome to our exploration of the modern workplace. The environments where we work have tremendous impact on how we collaborate, innovate, and perform. This isn't just about aesthetics or comfort. It's about creating spaces that actively contribute to business success. Today's workplaces face unique challenges: hybrid work models, changing employee expectations, and the need for both collaboration and focus. Organizations that thoughtfully design their physical environments gain advantages in talent attraction, operational efficiency, and innovation capacity. Our comprehensive research with industry leaders reveals a framework for transforming ordinary offices into strategic assets. Let's dive into what we have discovered. We've reached a pivotal moment in workplace design. Several key trends are reshaping how organizations approach their physical spaces. First, work has become genuinely fluid. Employees move between home, office, and third spaces, requiring environments that support this flexibility. Second, expectations have evolved. People want workplaces that offer experiences worth commuting for, spaces that enable meaningful collaboration while supporting focused work. Third, space utilization has changed dramatically. Our data shows that in traditional offices, 45% of space remains underutilized at any given time, representing significant operational inefficiency. And finally, security and experience now intertwine. Organizations need solutions that protect people and assets while creating seamless experiences. These challenges set the stage for a completely new approach to workplace design. Now let's talk about a few pillars. First is physical infrastructure. The physical workplace serves as the foundation for everything else. Forward-thinking organizations approach their spaces as dynamic ecosystems rather than static environments. This begins with adaptive design, creating spaces that flex with changing needs. Think modular furniture, movable walls, and multi-purpose areas that support different work modes throughout the day. Smart zoning plays a crucial role, with spaces intentionally designed for specific activities. Collaboration zone, focus areas, social spaces, and learning environments, each optimized for its purpose. Real-world implementation has delivered impressive results. Organizations adopting these approaches have increased personnel capacity by 29% while reducing their real estate footprint by 3%. The most successful physical environments share common characteristics. They're human-centered, technology-enabled, and designed to evolve over time. The second pillar is human experience. This pillar focuses on creating seamless journeys for everyone who interacts with your workplace. This journey begins before people arrive, with pre-planning tools that help employees coordinate schedules and reserve resources. Upon arrival, streamlined check-in processes, intuitive wayfinding, and personalized settings create frictionless experiences. Throughout the day, easy access to spaces and services maintains productivity and satisfaction. Every touchpoint matters, from meeting room bookings to visitor management systems. We have documented numerous success stories. One Fortune 500 company reduced administrative friction by 37% while improving satisfaction scores by 42% through journey mapping and experience design. Creating these seamless experiences requires understanding diverse workplace personas, from full-time employees to occasional visitors, from VIPs to interview candidates, and designing systems that work for everyone, every single one of them. Now, the third pillar is technology integration. Technology serves as the connective tissue between physical spaces and human experiences. The right technology stack creates environments that respond to needs while generating valuable insights. The foundation includes IoT sensors that monitor occupancy, usage patterns, and environmental conditions in real time. Data flows into integrated platforms that provide visibility, control across all facilities. AI systems analyze the information to identify patterns, predict needs, and automate responses, from adjusting room temperatures to recommending meeting locations based on attendee locations as well. Organizations implementing these technologies have reduced energy consumption by 23% while improving space utilization by 34%. The technology becomes invisible to users while enhancing their daily experiences. Successful implementations require thoughtful architecture, connecting systems that traditionally operated in silos to create a unified ecosystem. Implementation framework transforming your workplace requires a structured approach across 3 dimensions. Start with assessment. Understand your current state, identify pain points, and establish clear objectives aligned with business goals. Data-driven analysis reveals opportunities for improvement. Now move to design. Create a comprehensive blueprint addressing physical infrastructure, experience journeys, and technology architecture. Involve stakeholders across facilities, IT, HR, and operations to ensure alignment. Implementation works best through phased deployment. Begin with pilot projects that demonstrate value. Refine based on feedback. Then scale successful initiatives across your organization. Throughout the process, measure results and against established KPIs, from operational metrics like space utilization to experience indicators like employee satisfaction. This creates accountability and demonstrates ROI. The most successful transformations maintain executive sponsorship while engaging employees throughout the journey. And it's a very important one, I tell you. The workplace represents a strategic opportunity for forward-thinking organizations. By thoughtfully integrating physical infrastructure, human experiences, and enabling technologies, you can create environments that drive measurable business outcomes. Our comprehensive report, The New Era of Physical Workplaces, provides detailed frameworks, case studies, and implementation guides to help you transform your workplace. Download it today at www.getveris.com to begin your journey toward creating a workplace that functions as a genuine competitive advantage. Thank you for joining us for this exploration of future of work environments.